Welcome to the next session in convolution. We will do some more problems in convolution integral. So, in the last session we discussed a problem with two unit step function. Now I am going to discuss one unit step function and one square waveform. Let us first do the preliminary work. What is the given signal x of t, which is u of t minus 2? What is another signal? You have to do this all preliminary work. What is h of t? It is minus 1 to 3, which is amplitude 1. You sketch these, you subtract, you will get this. Now, what are the preliminary modifications I have to do? Repeat the same sketch. It will become tau. This is x of tau. What about here? Here also you should do the same modification. T become tau. I am just utilizing my time. Then I have to do h of minus tau, which is nothing but reflection. Yes, it's ready. Just I reflect. What about next? I have to make it h of minus tau plus t. Let me repeat the same sketch. I told you add t. So this is fixed signal. This is moving signal. Now based on these two signals, we are going to start the convolution. So let us start the general work. Fixed signal, let us draw. This is variable signal, moving signal, which means it depends on the t value. Always preferably draw this signal left side. Minus 3 plus t, 1 plus t. Using these two signals, we have to start our convolution. There is no common place between these two signals, which means overlapping is not there. So its amplitude, if you multiply, will be 0 because there is no common. From where, if the signal is this extreme minus infinity, up to where it should not cross, am I right? If it crosses, it will become common area. That will be the next diagram. Up to here. What should be the t value so that it will touch here? Up to 1. That is 1 plus 1. In this place, in this region, the amplitude will be 0. Let us go to the next sketch. Now, what are the different types of amplitude overlapping is possible? Right now the red color sketch is here, that is x is here. If I move, this 1 plus t may cross 2. If we do, I may get a amplitude like this. What about this speciality? It is just crossing 2, which means the amplitude is slightly overlapping, more overlapping, still more overlap, still more overlap, which means when I multiply, the amplitude will be increasing mode. Yes, the both overlapping will be in increasing mode, which means, just have a look, this is blue, this is red, slightly it is overlapped, still more, still more, still more, more area is getting overlapped. Now this is called increasing type of amplitude. This particular combination, what will be the result? Amplitude common area is there, where? In this place. So, what will be your integration here? It will be from, this is the common, am I right? 2 to 1 plus t. In this place, x value 1, h value 1, d2. From where to where? The overlapping starts from here. What should be the t value? It starts here, 1. What should be the t value? The increasing will stop. Once this red color touches, it stops. So what should be the t value? You should say it is nothing but 5. Am I right? 5 minus 3, 2. in this region, that is if you put a t value 1, 2, the overlapping starts. If you put a t value 5, either here or here, you put 5, 5 plus 1, 6, it goes here. 5 minus 3, 2, it comes here. That is what that value. It will go increase. What about the next sketch? It is increasing, it is increasing, it is increasing. At one particular moment, it will come like this. Am I right? After that, if you still move further, will it not be like this? The entire red color signal is within blue. In this combination, this is the overlapping region, and if you multiply, you will get a result. Am I right? Where blue, that is x is 1, red color is 1, d tau. What is the common place where both x signal and red signal is overlap? Here it is the overlap, here this is the overlap. Minus 3 plus t, 1 plus t. In this place it is overlapping. Next, the important issue, where to where? See, this red color is here. Still move further, the total red color signal is overlapping. Still move further, the total red color signal is overlapping. Since the blue color is up to infinity, if you go up to infinity, the same thing, which means a common amplitude is here, constant amplitude is here, here increasing amplitude, here constant amplitude. Such amplitude starts from where? This is from here, 5, up to where? Up to infinity. In this place, amplitude is not overlapping, 0. Increasing type of amplitude, constant amplitude. If you keep on further move, the same result will be there. What is the next one? Just integrate. Integration of d tau, it is tau. Upper limit minus lower limit, it will be t minus 1. Integration of 1 into 1, 1, d tau is tau. Upper limit minus lower limit, if you do t minus t, cancel, 1 minus minus plus, it is 4. So, what is the final conclusion? It is y of t equal to 0 amplitude, increasing amplitude, see t minus 1, t increasing, constant amplitude. When is 0 amplitude? Minus infinity to 1. When is increasing amplitude? 1 to 5. When is constant amplitude? 5 to infinity. This is the final. If you want, you can even plot this. There is no rule that you should always plot. If you want, you can plot 1, 5. Up to 1, amplitude is 0. 1 to 5, what is the amplitude? T minus 1. You substitute 1 here, 1 minus 1 here. You substitute 5 here, 5 minus 1, 4. 1 to 5, it is t minus 1. 5 onwards, it is 4. See, I told you, this is your y of t. So, in this region, amplitude is not overlapping, 0. In this region, increasing. In this region, constant. So, this is your final convolution result, y of t. Let us do another problem. Both are rectangular signal. So, you should do the preliminary sketching. Sketch this minus this, all the work you have to do. But let me do it in general. It is minus 2 to 3, its amplitude is 1. What about this signal? This is 1 to 3, whose amplitude is 1. Okay. So, if I put a t, it is x of t. If I put a tau, it is x of tau. I am just skipping some steps. If I put a t, it is h of t. If I put a tau, it is h of tau. Now, what is the preliminary work? This signal is a fixed signal. Here you have to do some more work. I have to do reflection. If you reflect, it is from where to where? Minus 3 to minus 1, 1. This is h of minus tau. I have reflected. Next, I have to generalize this signal. What is the generalization I have to do? This is h of minus tau plus t. Just add t, add it. So this is going to be the moving signal. Am I right? What is the convolution? Using these two signals, we should start convolution. Let me start the problem. This is the preliminary work. Let us draw fixed signal. I am going to give very important tips. It is a very critical work. Think and tell me what is the gap. Minus 2 to 3. Is it 5 gap? 5. The gap is 5 units. What is the gap here? 2 units. 5 units, 2 units. What is the gap here? 2 units. So who is bigger width? This one. Who is smaller width? This one. You should draw according to the width. Otherwise you will get a problem when you do the convolution. So I am going to draw the fixed signal. Bigger width. Let it be bigger. Minus 2 to 3 amplitude. This signal I should do. Preferably where? Left side. I am going to draw left side. Gap is 2. Smaller width. Very important. You will come to know later. Minus 3 plus t. Minus 1 plus t. Okay. I am ready with this. My preliminary work. Using these two generalized sketch, we can start the convolution. Right now amplitude is 0 because there is no overlapping or there is no common point. Now you should know carefully. One is bigger width, other one is smaller width. Now let me give a picturization, visualization. The blue color is bigger one, the red color is smaller one. Right now the signal is here. This is fixed, this is moving. Now up to touching here, amplitude is 0. Increasing, increasing, increasing. Next, fully overlapping. Constant, constant, constant. Next, one more is there. Going outside, you see, the gap is reducing. Decreasing, decreasing. Next, 0. Can you recall total? 5 types. 0 amplitude. Careful, very serious. 0 amplitude up to here. Increasing amplitude up to here. Constant amplitude up to here. Decreasing 0. So total how many types? 5 types you are going to get. Right now, this is the first type. What is the amplitude here? 0. Where to where? From where? Minus infinity. Up to where? This signal should touch here. Am I right? Up to where I told. What should be the value? Minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Next, what I told, increasing amplitude. The signal is slightly entering inside. Okay, let us start the work. Minus 2 to 3, amplitude is 1. So, let it slightly enter inside. Small, minus 1 plus t, minus 3 plus t. So, this is increasing type of amplitude. Where is the common place? This is the common place. Now, two issues are there. What is the answer? Where to where? The answer is amplitude 1, red color. Amplitude is 1 deta. What should be the limit? What should be the range? Very critical issue. What should be the limit? What should be the range? Common place is the limit. Where to where? Minus 2 to minus 1 plus t. Let me just do the next work. Very big signal. But next we told moving. It is going inside. Am I right? Because it is small, it may go inside. Let us have it. It is increasing amplitude or constant amplitude? Because totally it is inside. Good. Constant amplitude. Now where is the common place? This is the common place. Again recall two things I should know. One is the amplitude for h. One is the amplitude for h d2. Repeating, two issues are there. What is the limit? What is the range? What is the limit? What is the range? What is the limit? Common place. -2 to -1 plus t. What is the limit? Common place. Where to where? -3 plus t to -1 plus t. Always limit is the common place. Keep it in mind. What is the range? Where to where? Starts from this place. So what should be the t value? So the t value will be -1. Okay, -1, -1, -2. N set, the red color is moving. Before coming to this diagram, when this point, this red color touches here, that increasing ends. So what is the value? -3 plus 1. Obviously it will be -3 plus 1 will be -2. Now what about this combination? This is a constant amplitude. Starts from where? This should be here. Ends at where? This should be here. Starts at where? This should be here. Or I will give you a small analysis. From here to here. When this is touching here, what should be the t value? T value will be 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. Constant amplitude ends where? When this red color touches here, it will end. That is, this should touch here. What should be the t value? T value should be 4. Am I right? 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the way you should identify the amplitudes. Next, still lot of work is pending. What is the next one? What about the next? See this red color. It was outside. Let me just recap. It was outside. First diagram. Slightly entering inside, increasing. This diagram. Now it is totally inside. Constant this diagram. What is next? It should go outside. Am I right? It should go outside. So let it go outside. What is the common place? This is the common place. Am I right? Now, what are the two things you have to do? Integration. X amplitude 1, H amplitude 1 data. What is the limit? What is the range? Limit is where to where? -3 plus t to 3. What is the range? What is the starting? When this is touching here, the starting will be 4. As a simple thumb rule, the last value will be the first value. The last value will be the first value. Up to where he should touch here. Am I right? So -3 plus t, when it touch here, it is fully going outside. That should be 6. Am I right? 6 minus 3. So is it problem over? Still is there? Yes, it is still is there. If the red color signal is totally going outside, that is the 0 amplitude. Totally it should go outside. Still one more work is there. Okay. Now if I integrate, what will be the result? Integration of d tau, upper limit minus lower limit, t minus, will it be plus 1? And what about here? Minus lower limit, if you do, -3 is 3, it's nothing but a 2. And here if you do, it will be minus t and minus plus 3, so it will be plus 6. Okay. Still problem is not over. This red color signal has to go outside. That will result as 0. Okay. If you want, even you can make it -2 to 3. And the totally red color signal is going outside. Yes, -3 plus t to -1 plus t. Okay, it is the 5th type of amplitude. Definitely its value is 0. From where to where? It will be 6 to infinity. Now, what is the final conclusion? The final conclusion is 5 types of amplitude. First is 0. Next is increasing t plus 1. Next is constant 2. Next is minus t plus 6, which is a negative slope. And last is 0. Where to where you should mention. Where to where? It is minus infinity to -1. This is -1 to 1. This is 1 to 4. And this is 4 to 6. And this is 6 to infinity. Okay, this is the final answer. No need to sketch this. In case if you want to sketch, the result will be like this. So constant, then it will be like this. Okay, if you want, you can plot it. So this is the result of the conclusion. Thank you.